Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy calls Robinhood step by step. Open the Robinhood app and confirm your account is approved for options trading, then add funds. Tap Trade, choose Options, search a ticker, and pick calls. Select an expiration and strike, review the premium, and submit your buy order. Monitor your position and set alerts to manage risk as the trade develops. Start by considering time horizon and price target when choosing strike and expiry. If you expect a quick move, shorter expirations may offer cheaper premium and higher theta risk. For more time, pick a later expiration to reduce time decay pressure. Choose strikes in, at, or out of the money based on how aggressive you want to be, and remember each contract represents 100 shares for payoff calculations. When placing the order, decide between market and limit execution to balance speed and price. Enter the number of contracts you want, remembering each contract equals 100 shares for profit and loss math. Double-check the premium, fees, and required buying power on Robinhood, then swipe or submit the order. After filling, consider setting alerts or a stop strategy to protect capital while the trade runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.